Hello guys, thank you for joining me in my training today. Today what we will be going over, it will be ChatGPT and utilizing Canva together. Now, you are having to go ahead and utilize Canva Pro in order to be able to use this function. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to be able to integrate both of them so like that you will be able to go ahead and have several content that you're able to put together within a few seconds. So instead of going in there manually changing up the wording, you are able to actually do bulk altogether and be able to save some time as well. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, we want to go ahead and make sure you have Chat GPT. Sorry about that. Chat GPT. It is for free that you are able to utilize this. You only have to go ahead and sign up using your email. You are also able to upgrade if you wish to, but in this case, you do not have to. The free version will do just fine. We will go ahead and look into a 30-day of inspirational quotes. In this case, I did inspirational quotes. You are able to use it however you guys wish to. If you guys wish to do the 30-day content for travel, 30-day tips, tricks, whatever you guys want to go ahead and do, you're more than welcome to. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and do 30 days of inspirational quotes that I can add to my Instagram post. Now, the reason I did Instagram post is because I will be using the Instagram post flyer on my Canva. So I want to go ahead and make sure that it looks nice as well. Also, the more information you put for Chat GPT, the better information it will give you in return. Like I had previously said, it's once I went ahead and asked her for 30 days of inspirational quotes, it did let me know here are 30 inspirational quotes. And of course, they have inspire, motivational, and thoughts as well. And at the very bottom, you can see these are quotes that are beautiful to your Instagram post, whether they're about travel, personal growth, or simply the beauty of everyday life. If you guys want to be more specific, like I had said, the more information you feed to ChatGPT regarding your information, the better it is and the better outcome. All right. So once you guys are done, you are going to go ahead and copy this. Okay. You're going to go ahead and copy, and we are going to go ahead and go into our spreadsheet. You guys are able to use Google Spreadsheets for free. It is for free unless you have Excel. Excel is also available if you for those that do have Excel. And I know everybody does not have Excel. So in this case, you guys can go ahead and use the Google Spreadsheets. Once you guys go ahead and go to Google Spreadsheets, you can go ahead and post it on number 2 because number 1 for some reason does not go through. So go ahead and we are able to paste it starting from number 2. It should come out like this. Once we are done with this, we want to go ahead and go into make sure we change the title so we can know which ones we are using. So let's go ahead and do 30-day content, right? For example. Then we're going to go under file and we are going to go ahead and do download and comma separate values, which is CSV. Okay. We're going to go ahead and save this. It will save into our computer, as you guys can go ahead and see. After it downloads, you guys are going to go into your Canva. All right. I already chose which one I want to go ahead and do, which is this one for now, because I do want to add a picture of myself. If you guys want to go ahead and just add any motivational or anything like this, you guys are more than welcome to look into. You can put in motivational. Oops, I misspelled that. But this can give you an idea right here, right? Let's just see. We can do something like this, right? You can add your picture on here. They have different ideas that you guys can use. Inspirational. Okay. It does not matter what you guys use. The background will stay the same though. Okay. Please know that on all 30 days, it will stay the same. The only thing that does change will be this information right here. Okay. So everything else will stay the same. If you have something here, for example, it will be duplicated into everything else. The only thing that will change would be the font that you, the wording that you guys are putting on here. Like I had previously said, you guys can go ahead and utilize whatever background you wish to go ahead and do. in my case, like I said, I want to go ahead and add a picture of myself. So I went ahead and did this one, right? There's several that I'm able to do. All right, so on here, what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and change this to my name, for example, right? I will be removing her because I do not need her. I will be uploading one of my pictures. Okay, I will be doing that. Now, again, you do need this for Canva Pro. The awesome thing about it too is that you guys are able to remove the background as well. So for those that want to go ahead and do this, you guys can utilize this also. Okay. Now, what I want to go ahead and do too is wherever the wording is going to change, this is where it's going to go ahead and go. Okay, guys. Now, you are able to go ahead and make some changes here if you wish to do so, kind of change it up. You have that availability if you guys wish to. Like in this case, I can do something like this, right? You have stuff to go ahead and change it up if you wish to. Now I'm going to make this a little bit bigger and the words will be right here. Okay. So in order to go ahead and make this bold, you do have to go ahead and go under your apps. Okay, let's just say this is my final thing that I want to go ahead and do, right? I will go ahead under search. I'm going to go under bulk. Okay, and you should see bulk create. Okay, once you go ahead and get bulk create, it will look like this. We're going to go ahead and upload CSV. We're going to go ahead and choose the one we went to go ahead and do, right? The world is a book, which is one of the scripts we had. You will go ahead and click on the wording. You're going to right click and go into content data. We're going to go ahead and go to continue. As you guys can go ahead and see, it should have all my 30 days. I'm going to go ahead and lower this a little bit right there. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and click create 30-day design. It should open another tab and it should have the new 30 days on here. Okay, so if you guys need to fix it up a little bit, that's perfectly fine. Like in this case, let me bring it down a little bit further. Okay, but as you guys can go ahead and see, it already has the information on there. That's pretty much it. Then as you guys can see, it has my picture on all of them, as well as my name on here, which was the same thing that I originally have gotten. So again, make sure you go in here and make sure that everything is fitted. All right, so once you are done with all of these, all you have to do is go to share. You're going to go ahead and go to download. Make sure you change it to PNG. And we're going to go ahead and download these images. And then from here, depending on where you guys want to go ahead and post them, for example, if you guys want to go ahead and post them on your Meta business to go ahead and do the whole 29-day content, you're more than welcome to do so as well. Or you can put it on any other social media platform, as well as if you guys have like a planner, like Social Monials or Plannable or Later or anything like that, that you are able to go ahead and plan in advance, you're more than welcome to use so. All right, guys. So hopefully this video went ahead and helped you out to know what to be able to do to save you a lot of time instead of going in here manually putting all of this information. You guys can go ahead and see you are able to do this in a few seconds. All right. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next training. You guys have a nice rest of your day. Bye.